Hi, I'm Jonas, Airtame co-founder. Super excited to demo the Airtame and Sennheiser solution. That is a great bundle for BYOD spaces where you need a lot of flexibility and can just initiate a meeting right away. So you have the TC bar ready to go. The display is showing signage as default, and it's showing a little pairing code at the bottom. So from my own device, either mobile device or my laptop, I can just type in the pairing code. And now I have the option either to screen share, if I want to do a simple screen sharing session, or hit join call. When I hit join call, it's showing my video meetings for today. And that's across Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx. So I basically just find the meeting I want to start, hit join call, and now the display is actually calling into Teams in this case. And you can see the bar is ready to go. I'm in my meeting. It's the exact same flow across Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx. And I still have control of the TC bar, so I can toggle on and off the camera, microphone, I can screen share, I can do all of that stuff. So my own device is basically just a remote control for the display to initiate the meeting. For more information, visit airtame.com/Sennheiser.